Hello everyone. For our next craft, take a paper cup and cut it into strips as shown above. Put this cup on a flat surface and push it down accordingly, and then roll the strips into different lengths. Take a green strip of paper and stick your thing onto this. Add a cup to the bottom to act as a cup. Now for our next craft, we will take a brown piece of paper in two different shades and make it into checks and stick it as shown above. Then take another pink piece of paper and roll it onto a stick until it looks like a rose. Repeat this process multiple times with multiple colors and stick it all around the pot. You have yourself a bouquet. Now for our next craft, take a yellow sheet of paper and cut it into a circle, and then take multiple shells, color them or paint them in any color that you like, and stick them all around the yellow circular sheet of paper. Then proceed to add eyes and a cute little smile along with some blush to this. Add a stem and some leaves, and there you have yourself a very colorful looking flower and a bee. Take a rectangular sheet of paper, two of them in the shade yellow, and then take a compass and draw many circles. After this, draw any lines that are perpendicular to each other and then make a shape of a flower within this. Cut out the sheet, and now you have two colors of this. Now take a brown sheet, fold it into a square, and then cut out a circle. Now you have two layers of this and stick it in the center. Add some yellow lines in checks to the center. Lastly, add the detail of leaves, and thank you for watching.